Hello CompassWave family! We are very excited to announce that we are now offering a full Zapier and CompassWave integration. Now you can automate thousands of processes by sending your CompassWave data directly to Zapier. Today, we will create a Zapier integration that will send me a text message anytime I get a new lead from CompassWave. First, navigate to Zapier.com, log in, and click Create Zap. For the trigger event, we're going to search CompassWave, select the latest version, and choose New Estimate. Next, we're going to authenticate our account. Click Connect New Account, or choose an existing account if you've already authenticated with us. Here, you're going to type in the email that you used to log into CompassWave and your CompassWave API key. To find your unique CompassWave API key, simply log into CompassWave, navigate to Estimate Form, Third-Party Integrations, and your API key will be listed right here under Zapier. You can click this icon to copy it to your clipboard. Hit Continue, and your account should be automatically connected between CompassWave and Zapier. As we previously mentioned, today, when a new lead is created in CompassWave, we're going to shoot ourselves a text message. So let's select for the action SMS by Zapier. We're going to choose the event Send SMS, hit Continue, select our account, and here we can enter a customized message that the SMS event by SMS by Zapier will send to us. Here we could see all the information that's available to us via the CompassWave integration that we can include in the custom text message. Once you're done setting up your custom message, hit Continue, and then publish your Zap. The final step is to navigate back to CompassWave and add the Push to Zapier module to your CompassWave integration. Simply go to Form Pages, find the Push to Zapier module in Available Modules, and drag it into one of your active pages. Make sure that it's not on the final page and that it comes after Calculate Estimate Cost, so you have the estimate data available to send to Zapier. Hit Save Changes, and you're done. Now anytime an estimate comes through, it will automatically send all of the pertinent details to Zapier and send you a text message. There are thousands of different integrations you can use with Zapier, so explore and figure out all of the automations you can employ today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.